Good morning, folks. In this video, we're gonna be eating together for the entire day. I'm gonna be showing you what I have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and they're all gonna be Korean. And best of all, they're gonna be super quick to make. So let's get started with breakfast. I'm gonna be making a Korean-inspired egg drop soup. My mom used to make this for me for breakfast, and it is so freaking delicious. So for the broth, I'm gonna use this huge pot and I'm gonna fill it with water because I'm gonna be making enough broth to last us till dinner time. I think the biggest time saver for cooking is just prepping. If you could do some things beforehand to kind of set you up for the next meal, do it. You will never regret it. Now we're just gonna blast this on high heat and let this boil. So what we're trying to make here is an anchovy kelp broth. Like, you can use fresh ingredients, or you can be like me and just go to the Korean Mart and get these pre-made packets. Inside there's like dried shiitake mushrooms, anchovies, kelp. So once that's boiling, you just plop one of these sachets in there and you just let it boil for like 10 minutes. As that's boiling, let's do some prep in. I've got some green onions, dice them. Perfect. Put them in a little sifter so then I can give them a nice rinse. For the little eggies, I'm gonna use 3 pasture-raised eggs and then whisk them up. Beautiful. Broth is looking great. It's like boiling tea, folks. And this is what we're gonna be using for the egg drop soup because I'm gonna do a single serving. Blast this again on high. For more flavor, I'm gonna be adding some fish sauce, spoonful of soy sauce, cooking rice wine. This is gonna add like a little sweet tang to it. Let's have a little taste. I think when I just add a wee bit more soy sauce. Okay, now that it's boiling, I'm gonna add the eggs. I literally feel like a wizard when I put the eggs in. It just looks so trippy. And I don't beat them, I don't do anything. I just let them chill. I just want them to cook as they are. And then I'm gonna add an ungodly amount of green onions. And then you're done. There's your breakfast. Okay, let's serve this up, sweetie. Oh my goodness, this looks friggin' insane. Egg drop soup with a little bowl of rice. I don't think life can get any better. Okay, let's have a bite. Come on, yes. Unbelievably simple, but so tasty. Wait, I gotta get some kimchi. How could I even forget? Oh my God. Okay. Okay, now it is complete. Some people like to have it separated. Like they'll add a little bit of the soup to the rice and then gradually go. But other people will like to just submerge the rice into the soup, like this. Yeah. Personally, this is my method. I love when rice gets really soggy and porridge-like, but it's a matter of preference. All right, folks, it is lunchtime and I'll be making a spicy chicken Korean sandwich. Now this sandwich, scrumptious. It is to die for and it only takes a few minutes to make. So let's get started with the sauce. If you can get your hands on sriracha, this is necessary. I'm gonna squirt around 2 tablespoons of sriracha, a little squirt of ketchup, a squirt of mayo. Let's mix that all up. So it should turn into this nice like orange shade. That's good. So now that the sauce is ready, I'm gonna get some chicken. I feel like I always have chicken breast leftovers. I always bulk cook. So I just heated it up in a bowl and now I'm just going to shred this. But honestly, a rotisserie chicken would work just fine in case you're pinched for time. So I'm just gonna plop the chicken into the sauce and I'm just gonna mix this. Oh, this looks so good. Fire combo. Now for the sandwich bread, I am using whole milk bread from Dureju. Dureju is like a Korean French-inspired bakery. It's like Koreans trying to be French, but this is like literally the most Korean bread you could possibly have. It's so soft. It's like impossibly soft. Oh, it's the type of bread where you just kind of want to put your face on it. Very tempted to, but I won't. Then I'm just gonna start assembling. We've got some cheese, 2 tomatoes. Sprinkle a little bit of salt on there. Makes the tomato smackin'. I'm gonna pop some butter lettuce. Red onions, baby. I freaking love red onions. And then finally, let's add the chicken. Now I'm gonna close the sandwich. Ooh, she's tall. Now I'm gonna use the parchment paper to pack it up like a present. Time to slice. Wow! Now that is a freaking sandwich. Oh my God, this looks freaking insane. Oh my God, folks, this looks so killer plated. Is it weird that I just keep staring at this sandwich? It looks so freaking beautiful. Let's have a bite. You guys, it's unreal. This as a picnic food, get out of town. Everyone's gonna be tripping. So you don't need any extra condiments because all the flavor is inside that chicken. And guys, this is the best sandwich ever. Is that a bold statement? Yes, but it actually is. I think because the bread is just so soft and fluffy, but inside there's a lot of texture in there. We've got the chicken, we've got the crunch from the little gem lettuce. It's just so moist. It's like bursting with flavor from the tomatoes. It's incredible. And then there was one. Whew, empty plates. That was 10 out of 10. I also thought that this might be a good time to do a little shameless self-promo. All the dinnerware that you see in this video is from my collection with Fable. This is the Stone Blue collection and I am just insanely proud of it and I'm just so excited that we've launched. Every single piece was sustainably crafted by artisans in Portugal and they're all finished by hand. So each one was made with love. They are truly one of a kind and I am just so excited to see this in your home so that you can get genuinely excited to plate your food with something nourishing and full of love, just like the foundation of it. These are also non-toxic. You can throw them in the dishwasher, stick them in the microwave, and even in the oven for up to 450 degrees. You can get 10% off if you get the base dinnerware set bundle, and this is limited edition, so once we sell out of them, they are gone forever. So yeah, you can check them out at fable.com. I'll also leave all that info in the description box. For dinner, we are having 잔치국수, which translates to party noodles. My mom loves making this and I love eating it. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. The reason why this is called party noodles is because it's like a dish that you can make in bulk. So it's perfect for parties. And it doesn't actually require that many ingredients. All right, we've got my onion and then I'm just gonna julienne this. Then I'm gonna use a bell pepper. Honestly, the ideal vegetable would be carrot, but I actually don't have it. So bell pepper it is. Now we've got a zucchini, julienne that as well. So I actually learned this method from my mom. You do the zucchini coins and then you stack them up and then you just cut them into little strips. I honestly don't know how my mom gets it so freaking thin though. Mine are still kind of chunky lunky. And I think that's gonna be all the veggies we're gonna use. For protein, I'm gonna go in with a mighty egg. I'm gonna crack 2 of these guys. And then give them a nice little whisk. Perfect. So if you're really in a rush, fry everything all at once. But if you got some time, maybe like an extra 10 minutes, cook them all separately. It just really helps with presentation. So I'm gonna fry the onions first. Okay, that is looking pretty good. I'm gonna transfer these. It's time for the second batch. Re-up for round 3. Let's go. Nice and soft. Then last on the call sheet, we've got eggs. Nice. All right, so I just put the broth that we made this morning up to a simmer, and I'm going to plop 3 servings of somen. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of fish sauce, and then also a spoonful of soy sauce. The freaking noodles are already done. Okay. All right, let's serve this up. Now I'm going to add my toppings. I'm gonna add some onion, zucchini, the bell pepper. Oh, and of course, the egg. All right, dinner is served.
Party noodles.
Party noodles.
Thank you, babe.
For Lennon's version, he has the somen noodles with some furikake, the egg, and some zucchini.
Oh,
That's
great.
nice.
Yeah. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's a party in my mouth. So much flavor.
Yeah, it's a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed these like really quick, easy Korean meals. And if you do any of these recipes, please tag me. I would love to see. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.